How to add a blog post or blog posts to a page on your Wix website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step what you need to do exactly in order to achieve this. Now, I'm going to show you exactly step by step like I said, so bear with me. The first step is if you don't already have a blog with a bunch of blog posts, then you will need to create one. And to create one with Wix, you will need to actually install the Wix blog app. So you can just go and open up your site editor to do so. And by the way, you need to note that I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but this is going to be exclusively for the default Wix, not Wix Studio. With that being said, I'm just going to open up our site editor and show you exactly how to install the blog on your site. Okay, so once you actually launch your site, all you need to do is just go to the apps section. So just click on add apps. And then from here, I'm just going to go in and search for Wix blogs, and it should open up real quick or show up real quick. Wix blog right over there. And if you click on that, you will find it right here. So Wix blog, go ahead and click on it, install it, and you should be good to go. Now, here's the thing. Once you actually install it for the first time, there are going to also be sample blog posts, which are the ones that I'm using anyway. But they're also going to go ahead and create a page for you already, which is going to have the posts in it. So it's going to be under, if you go to pages here, click on that, go to blog pages, you should find post. And then we also have the blog. The one that we want is blog. This is going to include all the different blog posts that we have, as you can see. So we already have a page in here, but don't worry, I'm also going to show you how to add this to a completely different page if you want to. Now, I just need to note for real quick for the people that don't know, once you actually install the application, which is blog for Wix, you can actually find it in here in the main dashboard, and you can actually feel free to start writing your posts in here. Now that we have all of this out of the way, let's talk about how to add the actual blog posts to a page, a separate page other than the default one, which is this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on pages in menu, create a new page for the sake of this tutorial, add page, and I'm just going to create a blank page. Let's just wait for it, give it a sec. And then we just basically go to any section here. So let's just go and rename it to blog posts, for example, and click on done. So in order to do so, just click on any section or go to any section really, and just click on add elements from the top left. And once you do that, you can scroll down a little bit and you should find blog here. In blog, you should find a few different things that you can actually choose from, including post list large and post list sidebar. So these are all viable options that you can use for a blog post that you want to set up. So you can actually go for this one, that one, the sidebars. It really is depending on what you actually want. So we can just use this one, for example, drag and drop. And you can actually see this is the one that is used with the default one, but we can also feel free to remove this one. Add another one if you feel like you want to change it up a little bit. And it's going to look a little different, but it is going to serve exactly the same purpose. Again, there are going to be other options here for you to choose from. Let's see this one, for example. It's going to be, I believe, horizontal, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's going to be horizontal. So it's completely up to you however you want to do them. And you can always just click on manage posts here and select whichever ones are going to actually pop up, and click on settings to even have, to adjust it even further here when it comes to display, layout, design, and more. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.